Alright, hey, what's up? This is Luke. Today we're going to be going over the remaining work to be done on the 65 D100 and what we have in the truck, the engine, the transmission, the suspension work that's been done, and just where we're going with the rest of the vehicle. Alright, so now the engine in this truck is a first generation HEMI, a 331, and it's out of a 1952 DeSoto. There's a Carter 650 CFM carb on there with all the low car cables and bits and everything. The engine bay is almost finished up here. There's the aluminum rad we've installed here. And really the remaining work that's left to do here is a lot of wiring to clean up. There's a hood clearance issue with the air cleaner. We'll probably have to build a custom piece coming off of there. Alright, so with the interior, we got a beautiful set of classic instruments here, and the original steering wheel, beautiful dash shifter, the links to the transmission there. And really the remaining work that we got to do in here is a lot of the wiring, cleaning all that up. It's a brand new wiring harness from American Standard. Goes right from the ignition key to the tail lights, the whole thing. Then there's the door panels, window crank windows, the whole 9 yards in there. The headliner set up here. And the seat's already done. It's sitting in the basement right now, ready to go. Now the transmission that's in this truck is an A518. Came out of a 92 Dodge pickup truck. There's not too much work left to do in here aside from the cab. You can see it's hitting the transmission in several spots, and including right here the transmission tunnel. We'll have to cut the transmission tunnel, get it to clear all this, and maybe re-weld some spots down here. Get it to clear everything. The transmission has a shift kit installed in it so that the overdrive and torque converter lock work off of the pressure and vacuum of the throttle. So there's no need to do a push button overdrive or anything. It's a really neat system. So the remaining work that's left to do on the body, mainly just the triangle windows here and a few other touch-ups. The box is sitting a little bit crooked, and the front bumper, we're going to be taking that in, moving that nice up and tight there to close that gap. And that's pretty much it that's left on the body, including the glass, the back window, and some alignment of the panels and all that there. But overall, bodywork's done, everything's in good shape. The bed of the truck has been totally redone, this beautiful wood here. The truck's lowered about 4 or 5 inches. There's a good shot of the suspension here, so you can see the whole K-member out of a 1968 Newport, I believe it was grafted into the frame here. You can see the independent front suspension, disc brakes, power steering, sway bar, everything. It gave us the ride height we wanted, and really gave us the stopping power that we're going to need to slow it down with that big HEMI in the front of this vehicle here. Because this truck's a little bit wider than the Newport the front end came out of, we're going to have to solve this fender gap issue here and probably space the wheel out a few inches to get a nice clean look at the front like we do at the back there. That back just fits perfect with where the rear wheel is.